I started crocheting, and well, here's how it's gone. This is my first ever project. I started trying to make, don't judge me, it gets better. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reni, and well, I'm back and better. But yeah, I started trying to make a Bible book cover, or just a book cover in general, you can say. And one of them was facing this way, and the other one was actually facing the other way. And so I put it inside out with the attempt to have them facing the same way. And then I realized, oh my goodness, I have too much on the bottom. So let me try sewing the excess first, crocheting the excess, and then cutting. Tried that, didn't work. I also tried fixing some other holes that I made in it. I tried so many things, and it was such a fail that I was like, oh, you know what? Now I know if you mess up, undo it. The same part that you notice you messed up, undo, start over. I'm thinking even right now, oh, maybe I could save it. Nope, it's done. This was my first ever thing that I made, and well, it was a flop. And so then I was like, girl, we don't give up. Let's go. Let's do it. So now I did the other Bible bag. I added a strap to it. I added a part with the button where the buttons can go. So this is what it's supposed to look like on the inside, right? So we have the two that holds it. And yes, I did try this on my Bible, and it's great. And my Bible is pretty heavy, so the fact that this can hold it is awesome. So it closes it like that. I also added these straps, as I said, so you can hold it as a bag. I actually wore this, I want to say last Sunday, and mainly because my Bible was in it and I was taking my Bible to church. So I wore it and it was cute. The only thing that was missing was the bows, which I needed to add. So I made crochet bows and I added them in. And the only other issue, I should say, is that, well, I had excess on the bottom and I tried to fix it, which is where that idea came from of like, oh, maybe you could just cut it out. And I realized if you have excess, just sew it and try to hide it. And that's what I did with this one. I sewed and I tried to hide it. And so I don't know if you can see it, but you can, I think you can. It's not smooth on the bottom. Oh, you'll see it here. So this is me trying to like hide the excess. So I sewed it over itself and tried to make it just hidden. So maybe this is how you'll see it. You can see that there is this extra thing here, but there isn't any right at the bottom here. So that's, I guess, the difference. But you wouldn't know otherwise unless you really pay attention. You could see it here on the bottom. But anyways, then I made my third one. Pay very close attention to the stitching. I made it like this, and this is just a regular case. I didn't add to it because I'm like, do I want to remake the same thing, or do I want to make it like a clutch and put the clasp or the wiring under here and just somehow allow it to connect at the top? You catching my drift? I could switch it up now because look, like this, the way I crocheted this entire thing is so much more beautiful than the others. Look at this. This is insane. It's so much looser compared to the final one. Look at that. The difference is sickening. And then let's go from all the way where we started. Let's hide the part that's ripped. Giant hole in it. But look at the difference. And yes, this is the same exact yarn. The same exact yarn was used for both of these. But it's just the technique. I got so much better and I'm loving this. I'm absolutely loving this. It's not perfect because I know the imperfections and I can find it, but for the most part, this is beautiful. Even the inside is beautiful. And what I think I did it already. I turned it inside out. Really, Dad? I was like, what is that noise? Really, Daddy? You scared me. I was like, a robot is taking over my house? What is that noise? When I tell you, I got so nervous. So this is what I've been working on, and I still have yarn for days. Now I know if I make a mistake, how to fix it. Now I know how to add in yarn if I accidentally snag it or if I run out. I'm excited about that. The fact that I know how to do those things, because this is a new ball game for me and I'm catching on. The thing is, I did crochet, I want to say 5-6 years ago. And I only did a flower and I was like, oh great, I know how to do it. It's easy, perfect. And then I never picked it up again. I just left it alone. I was like, this might be something I'll do when I have time, but I never found the time. And now the gag is I'm making time. So here we are. I still have this pink yarn. I have 2 pink yarns actually. This one barely opened, and I have the white and I have this, and honestly this will do for like a tote bag. If I wanted to just make a regular tote bag, I can. And then I have these bows that I made. I like the bows because you can attach them. They have the string in the back where you can attach them to anything. You can attach it to your bag. You could probably attach it to your hair if you wanted to. Honestly, attach it to anything, but like you can, mainly the reason I made it this way is because you can attach it to your crochet project that you just finished. I think I had 2 bows. Yeah, I had another. Oh, this one is perfect. Oh my goodness, what? Yeah, that is so cutesy.